Is it still going?
Oh my god! Hey Alex, what is it? Oh, it's just a block of ice?
That's black for some reason.
It's from the road. No, it's ice. It's just black from the road. Okay. Push him. Hold on. Let's go push him some more.
Okay. I thought I was gonna tip over. Oh.
Okay, now it's Alex's turn.
My leg.
I can't feel my leg. What? My leg, I can't feel my leg. That's what it reminded me of. Josh, I'm waiting on you to slip and bust your ass.
What?
I'm waiting on you to slip and bust your ass. Josh, he's got one leg out. Hold on. Okay. Josh, move! I think I got on camera. Okay. Okay, my turn. Again. Let's go.
We all get in it.
We're all going to fit in that fucking closed basket.
I think one's is good enough for me. We can be like Mary Poppins.
What?
You know, she puts everything in her purse.
Oh. Maybe she can get out like my black hole. Okay, so I'm gonna go back down the clothes basket again.
How about?
So,
Either
yeah.
Alex pushed you and I record you just going down without you holding it.
I guess so.
Or would you rather? Can you hold it? Because I kind of want to push you.
Okay. Can you hold it? What? Hey, Alex. You gonna hold my camera? It's still recording.
Okay.
So.
Now, if you feel like you're going to tip over, protect your head.
Okay. Really hard. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. You okay?
Go push him. It's like push him now.
No.
Yeah. Huh? Oh well. Okay. Now it's Josh's turn again. My sock's coming off. Josh, my sock is coming off inside the shoe. It's aggravating me. Josh fell over. I had blush on to begin with. Oh well. Too bad if I'm showing headlights. Okay, Josh. 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 I want to do it down the backyard. So do me back. Down there.
Oh yeah, I said it got colder.
You should be okay holding your camera here.
Because the ice is melting like
Josh, give me. Hey, this actually isn't that cold. Oh my god! No, don't go!
He always ends up falling.
Hold it. Hold it.
This is like fucking rocks. Okay. Where are we gonna go?
Get in it.
Oh, over there. What, dumbass? Do you see me running all funny?
Alex.
Okay, up here. Uh-oh. Mama needs to know about that.
What happened?
Danny put up wooden stuff and it fell out. That can make the pipes freeze. So she needs to know about it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Josh. Come push me. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Ow, my knee.
Yeah, we should put up your camera.
Ow, my knee. Oh, my knee. Yeah.
Alex, push me around.
Somebody help me up first, you jackass.
Don't worry.
Hello, sexy world.
Your weight is
Okay, I'm gonna start off the video because it's gonna die soon if I don't. So what? Oh, them. Okay, now we're gonna go because the camera's gonna die if I don't turn it off. Alright, bye.